Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Zaz World. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Today we're gonna make ambare ki dal, which is nothing but lentils with red sorrel leaves. So without any further delay, let's have a look at our ingredients. We'll need one whole bunch of red sorrel leaves, which is generally called as gongura, 250 grams of tur dal, 25 green chilies of this size roughly chopped, a handful of dill leaves, 5 garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced, a handful of coriander leaves, and 5 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. For tempering, we need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced, a handful of curry leaves, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves thinly sliced. In a pressure cooker, add the washed tur dal and add about 1.5 glass of water. I'm adding 2 glasses of water because I'm gonna remove the extra water and show you guys another recipe for baby food. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. After adding turmeric, switch on the flame and add all the ingredients, your green chilies, tomatoes, garlic, onions, dill leaves and coriander, and mix them really well. At the end, add the red sorrel leaves and let it cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the leaves have turned a little soft. Now mix them really well and close the lid and cook until you get 4 to 5 whistles. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes for the dal to be completely cooked. I'm gonna remove the excess water from the dal once it's cooked, and I'm gonna show you what to do with this water. Next, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt in the dal, and I'm going to take a hand masher and mash this dal. You can notice there are still granules of dal. I haven't mashed it completely because it tastes good this way. And this is ready. You can eat it this way also, but I'm going to add some tempering which will add more flavor in it. So let's go ahead and add a tempering. Take a heavy bottom kadai and add in your oil. Once the oil is hot, add in your cumin seeds and mustard seeds and let it splutter. Next, add the chopped garlic and the chopped onions and saute them really well. Lastly, add the dry red chilies, curry leaves, and you have to fry these until the onions turn golden brown. Now our tempering is ready. You can see our onions have turned golden brown. This is the excess water that we removed from dal, and if you have kids at home who don't eat dal, you can use this for them. Just add some salt and tempering and you're good to go. You can feed them this with the rice and it's super healthy and delicious. So do try this. Coming back to our dal, just add in all the dal in the tempering. Usually people add the tempering on top, but I prefer it this way because it incorporates all the flavors from the tempering and tastes very yum. So that's it guys, this is done. Your dal is ready. You can enjoy this with roti or rice. It's a super comforting food, so do try this recipe at home and tag us on Instagram. The handle is linked in the description below. Also, if you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe and comment down what you'd like to see next. I enjoyed my dal with rice, ghee and some chicken. Try this at home and tag us on Instagram and tell us with what you enjoyed the dal. Until then, stay safe guys. Thank you. Bye bye.